Important topic of class 11th, dimension. We have to find the dimension of H Planck constant, R gas constant, and G gravitational constant. Then we start with it. First of all, H involved in this equation H nu, where nu is frequency, E is energy. So H can be written as E by nu. Dimension of E mL2 t power minus 2, dimension of the frequency t power minus 1. Then dimension of H can be written as m L power 2 t power minus 2. This transfer upside, then it becomes minus 2 plus 1, then it becomes minus 2. Dimension of Planck constant is H. Second part of the question, gas constant. PV goes to RT, R is goes to PV by T. Dimension of P is m L power minus 1 t power minus 2. Volume has dimension L cube and temperature dimension theta. Then gas constant dimension m L power minus 1 T square minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 2 t power minus 2 theta transfer upside in numerator form, then it becomes theta minus 1. So this is the constant dimension of gas constant R. Now we have third. What we have, gravitational constant F is equals to G m1 m2 by r square. In gravitational constant involved r transfer this side, F r square and then m1 m2. Dimension of F ml2 t power minus 2. R is the distance, it has dimension L square and mass m power 2. Then G is equals to 1m, cancel in denominator, it has a 1m, then it transferred in a numerator form, it becomes m power minus 1 L2, no, forces dimension ml2 power minus 2, then it becomes 3 L power 3 t power minus 2. Then gravitational constant dimension m power minus 1 L power 3 t power minus 2. It has gas constant, it is gravitational constant. Thank you.